And now we give you the host for the evening, the voice behind the Mirchi Top 20 on Radio Mirchi. Make some noise for RJ Suren.
All right. Good evening, everybody. Thank God for some friends. Otherwise, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि पहली बार मेरी मुंह दिखाई हो रही है. So welcome everyone and thank you so much that you made this evening possible. My name is Suren. I'm the same guy who speaks on the Officer's Choice Blue Mirchi Top 20, powered by Provoke Power Duos. Some musicians who already made a complaint that I say not so good things about their songs. And some of them have been nice that I say some really good things. So thank you so much everybody for making this possible. But it's a night where we're going to celebrate the music that every single listener has loved, because of which the songs have done well.
If I was really signing checks, you would not be on the list. Trust me, buddy.
One thing that I've been hearing for the last 8 years.
Okay, thank you very much, guys, and I'm so happy to talk to you about the Mirchi Top 20. It is, of course, as you know, India's biggest countdown show. It's been running for more than 10 years. And it's available on all media properties. It's on television, it's of course on radio, it comes every Sunday, and Saturday, you must have heard that. It's in newspapers, it comes in Bombay Times and all the other papers. And of course, it's in a big presence in the online business. So this show is a variant of that. It is a Jubilee Nights. Now basically, it's a very, very tough award to win over here. So for this, a song doesn't have to be just good. A song has to basically survive the test of time. And if it is in the top 5 of the Mirchi Top 20, the weekly Mirchi Top 20, for a minimum of 100 days, which is remarkable because the pace of music, and I don't know who does the formula for the Mirchi Top 20, it's a closely guarded secret, very much like the Coca-Cola formula. And Suren, you certainly don't know. Then that song gets a diamond. If it stays for 75 days, it gets a platinum, and if it gets 50, it gets a gold. So this is to celebrate that. One other thing, this is your evening. We are so happy and proud to be part of the music fraternity. This is your evening. This stage is yours. And I would like it that all of you guys come here, sing your heart out, and celebrate. Thank you. But before we do that, we always have to remember the guys who actually sponsor the event. So I'd like to call Chirag Shah from marketing in ABD. They are the title sponsors of the Mirchi Top 20. Chirag.
Thank you so much, Chirag, by the way.
Thank you very much, buddy, for your support.
Good evening, everyone. We at Allied Blenders and Distillers are very happy and pleased with this association. At ABD, we've always, for the brand Officer's Choice Blue, worked towards providing rewarding and fulfilling musical experiences to our consumers across India, and what better way to be associated, none other than Radio Mirchi's Top 20, which is Bollywood's most credible and the oldest countdown. So we are very happy with this association and pleased with this. And I won't take much of a time. Enjoy the evening, guys. Thank you so much for having us here. Thank you. Thank you, Prashant.
Thank you very much, Chirag. And Suren, back to you.
Aren't we playing Panditji again?
Sorry?
Aren't we playing
Welcome
Panditji? Okay.
to India's longest running music countdown show. Lights, camera, music. Mirchi Top 20. A show that started on Radio Mirchi today is one of the most definitive music countdown shows across multiple platforms. A show that sets the country on fire. Hosted by none other than Mirchi's hottest RJ Suren. Brought to you by India's largest radio network that's loved by Bollywood's hottest stars.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं अमिताभ बच्चन.
Hi everybody, this is Shah Rukh Khan.
Hi, this is Salman Khan.
Hi, मैं हूं Hrithik Roshan on Radio Mirchi.
98.3 FM, it's hot.
A show that is celebrated by the barbs of Bollywood music.
Hi, this is A. Rahman on Radio Mirchi, 98.3 FM. It's hot.
बहुत rarely ऐसा होता है कि पूरा album famous हो जाता है. Really makes us feel that we should work hard और भी अच्छा music करना चाहिए आगे चलकर.
Mirchi Top 20 celebrates music through television, radio, print and digital media with 37 million listeners per week. An official listing in print every weekend with a power-packed media and content strategy across Radio Mirchi's digital platforms. Fans from all over India get to vote for their favorite songs. A star-studded curtain raiser celebrating the Jubilees. And the big daddy of them all, Mirchi Top 20 on TV. Mirchi Top 20.
Yeah, they don't want to put me on that. Thank you. All right, listen. Thank you so much once again for coming. Thank you, Prashant. Thank you, Chirag. I remember last year there was a song that came out, and within, I think, a couple of hours, everybody was doing one step, and that was just this. It was like this. It was called the baby doll step. And Meet Brother Sanjan, where are you? Harmeet, oh, super. That song created waves and it was already on the countdown in the first week. And that's what I'm saying. Kabhi suddenly एक ऐसा गाना आता है जो सारे गानों को पीछे छोड़ के इतना आगे निकल जाता है. And a film that is releasing, I think it's about to release in a couple of weeks or probably the next month. Uska Gana, I remember last week, I put it as one of my potential picks of the week and I thought it will really go up. And this particular week, I can probably let it out before it even goes on air. It's going to debut officially on number 5. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the title song of Hamari Adhuri Kahani. We have a special something going on, but I think I've spoken too much. And I have to cut it out, right? I clearly have 3 people telling me cut it out, cut it out, cut it out. Okay, so without any further ado, can I please call upon one of the most humble, one of the most talented, a Bengali musician who speaks through his music, and that's the beauty of it. Can we please put our hands together for Jeet Ganguly? There he is.